Alexandra Jones. I'm the editor of The Ophthalmologist, and I'm here with Rob Thornhill, the President and CEO of Centricity Vision. Hello and welcome.
Thanks, Alexandra. I appreciate the opportunity.
First of all, could you tell me a bit about yourself and the company?
Yes, I've been in the medical device industry for 40 years, about 15 of that in ophthalmology, both in large companies and startups. My most recent company was Tear Film Innovations, which focused on dry eye disease and was acquired by Alcon in December of 2018. I've been the CEO of Centricity Vision since late 2019. At Centricity, we're dedicated to deliver products that help surgeons optimize cataract surgery outcomes. Most recently, we launched our next generation ZEBTO, which includes over 16 significant performance upgrades to the handpiece and power console for improved device usability and increased efficiencies in the OR.
And could you tell me about the team at Centricity Vision?
Yes, we are very fortunate to have a senior team that includes many industry leaders. Todd Pinkney, our Chief Commercial Officer, came to us from Allergan, where he led the team that introduced Zen for glaucoma and also led commercial efforts for Restasis. Other key members include Mark Steen and Leonard Borman, who were recent senior R&D leaders at Johnson & Johnson and are working on the ZEBTO Link platform for us at Centricity Vision. The remainder of the 20 people on our team have deep startup experience, and we are fortunate to have all of them based on their experience in the industry and in the regulatory, engineering, manufacturing, and customer service areas of the business. Bottom line, we have a great team, and it makes for a very positive and fun environment.
That sounds fantastic. And you've mentioned your platform, ZEBTO. Could you tell me a bit more about it?
Yeah, ZEBTO is a unique technology. A lot of people have tried to automate the capsulotomy process, and they failed. Without talking about all those, I'd like to talk about ours and what makes it unique. It's a combination of suction and energy applied to a nitinol ring. And it automates the creation of the capsulotomy and does it perfectly every single time. And it produces a precise, strong, and centered capsulotomy with 360-degree IOL overlap. And it does this in 4 milliseconds. So we're very proud of the technology, and it's something that's unique in the marketplace.
Thank you. And what benefits do you think ZEBTO will bring to clinicians?
Okay, the primary benefit of ZEBTO is the creation of an optimal capsulotomy, and it's the foundational step for a successful surgery. Long-term visual benefits for the patient are dependent upon the overall stability and position of the lens implant in the capsular bag. ZEBTO automation and intraoperative centration of the capsulotomy can improve control of these surgical steps and help surgeons achieve effective lens positioning with the 360-degree overlap that we talked about previously.
That's great. And what feedback have you had so far on the platform?
Yeah, the feedback's been extremely positive all around. Surgeons quickly recognize the benefits I just mentioned to create long-term IOL stability. As an example, we did a recent study with Dr. Christos Infantidis and others to evaluate the performance of ZEBTO in 337 cataract surgeries. In 99% of the cases, we achieved free-floating capsulotomies, and 360-degree overlap was obtained in 98% of these cases. This becomes extremely important when surgeons want to eliminate issues like lens tilt or decentration over time, in particular with premium and toric lenses.
And would you say that ZEBTO is unique in the market?
Yeah, there's nothing else like ZEBTO. Traditionally, surgeons have utilized two methods before ZEBTO came along of creating a capsulotomy: a manual CCC or using a femtosecond laser. CCC can be imprecise as it's done manually, leading to challenges with 360-degree IOL overlap. Femto, while improving precision, is associated with high cost and increased procedure time. With our ZEBTO technology, they can create automated, strong, and centered capsulotomies every time, with laser-like precision, but without laser-like costs or disruption of surgical workflow.
That's brilliant. Thank you. And we're all looking forward to the AAO this year. Could you tell me if you have any exciting news to share at the event?
Yeah, we certainly do. Mark Steen and Leonard Borman, who I mentioned before, are working very hard with our team of engineers to develop a new technology that we call ZEBTO link. And we will be sharing ZEBTO link at the Academy with our surgeon partners and other interested parties. This technology was requested from surgeons asking us to include our ZEBTO capsulotomy system into any phacoemulsification platform. We're going to be showing this system at the Academy, which will be welcome news for our surgeon partners.
And are you looking forward to the meeting yourself personally?
Yes, we've been apart as an industry for quite some time due to the pandemic, and hopefully we're gaining momentum in terms of in-person meetings because it's certainly been missed. Our industry has always valued collaboration between surgeons and the business community, and the innovation that's always been present in ophthalmology is fostered by this face-to-face interaction that we have at AAO and all the other conferences.
And could you tell me about the economic benefits of ZEBTO?
Yeah, we really have to break the economic benefits down into two different categories. First, for patients. Very simply, ZEBTO represents a less expensive alternative for them for premium cataract surgery in comparison to a femtosecond laser. For surgeons, there are a few different areas to talk about. First of all, ZEBTO is faster and more efficient in the operating room compared to a femtosecond laser. Therefore, they can do more cataract surgeries in a day, which has tremendous value to a surgeon compared to the femto. Also, as it relates to capital cost and disposable cost, comparing ZEBTO to femto, our capital cost is one-tenth that of a laser, and our disposable cost is 1/2 of the femto per click fee. Switching over to complex cases, really how we benefit there financially is to save various supplies that are used currently in complex cases. So when the patient has a complex cataract and the surgeon uses ZEBTO, the surgeon is incurring costs for products like trypan blue and pupillary expansion rings. Those are eliminated with ZEBTO. So it's a much more cost-efficient surgery for those patients requiring complex cataract surgery.
Rob, it was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Alexandra. I appreciate it.